Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix iPad stuck in headphone mode or there's no sound. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can fix this problem. So here, as you can see, I'm on an iPad right now, and what you have to do is just swipe down, and right over here, you will see this area. And first up, just confirm your sound setting right over here. As you can see, if it's on full sound and everything is on full but you still can't hear it, you now need to go to this now playing section, which is audio playing, and right here you just need to play any audio and make sure that it's playing, and the audio will be showed and it will say iPad. So here, as you can see, for me it says iPad, and if I play any audio it will play it. But if it's not, it might be showing another device. Just switch it to iPad and it will be fixed. But if it's still not showing, what you can do is, by first up, just go to settings, and right over here you will go to settings. You'll be able to see Bluetooth. So sometimes your iPad accidentally connects to another, your AirPod or maybe another audio device, so it must be that problem. So you can just simply turn Bluetooth off and check if it's working after that. So after that, if it's none of these are working, you can just simply cleaning the port that you use your headphone, or try that again. If it's still not working, just simply turn your iPad off. After that, just simply press on your power buttons, or you can just simply go to settings, general, and press on shutdown right over here on this option, and you're good to go. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.